If you're a growing business choosing between Xero and Sage right now, this video is going to save you hours of research and potentially thousands of dollars. Because here's the problem most comparison videos have. They treat Xero and Sage like they're competing for the same customer. They're not. Xero and Sage are built for fundamentally different types of businesses. And once I show you which one is actually built for you, this decision becomes obvious. I've been using Xero in my own business for years. I'm a Xero certified advisor, but I'm going to be completely straight with you about where Sage wins, because it does win in certain situations. Let's get into it. Intro, what we're covering. Quick roadmap for this video. We're going to cover 1. Pricing and what you actually get for your money. 2. Ease of use. 3. Integrations and app ecosystems. 4. Features for growing businesses. 5. Who wins for what type of business. And at the end, I'll tell you exactly which one I'd pick if I were starting a business today from scratch. Let's start where everyone starts. Money. Section 1. Pricing. Xero pricing, US as of early 2026. Xero has 3 plans in the US right now. Early, $25 a month, covers the absolute basics but limits you to 20 invoices and 5 bills per month, not suitable for most growing businesses. Growing, $55 a month, this is the one most small businesses land on, unlimited invoices, unlimited bills, all the core accounting features. Established, $90 a month, adds multi-currency support, expense claims, and project tracking. Now here's a big deal, and I mean big. Xero charges 0 per user fees. Every plan includes unlimited users. That's huge for growing businesses adding team members. And right now, there's an 85% discount for new US customers for the first 6 months. Link is in the description below. That takes the growing plan down to just $8.25 a month to get started. Sage pricing, 2026. Now, Sage is a bit more complicated because Sage isn't one product. It's actually a family of products. For small businesses, the main options are Sage Business Cloud Accounting, the entry-level cloud product, starting around $10 a month for the basic plan, Sage 50, the more established desktop cloud hybrid product, starting at around $124 a month for the Pro plan, and this is per user pricing, so add more users, add more cost. Sage Intact, this is the enterprise level product. Pricing starts around $1,250 per month and goes up to $50,000 plus per year. That's a completely different market. So when someone says Sage versus Xero on pricing, you have to ask which Sage are we talking about? For the growing business audience watching this video, the fair comparison is Xero Growing, $55 a month, versus Sage 50 Pro, $124 a month, single user. Xero wins on pricing, clearly, especially once you factor in unlimited users. Section 2. Ease of use. This one is pretty clear-cut. Xero is designed for business owners who are not accountants. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive. Most users can get set up and start invoicing within hours of signing up. The dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot of your cash flow, outstanding invoices, bills, and bank balances all in one place. Sage 50, by contrast, has a steeper learning curve. It was originally built as desktop software. You can feel that legacy in how it's structured. It's powerful, but it does take more time to get comfortable with. Now, that's not necessarily bad if you have an in-house accountant or bookkeeper who's already familiar with traditional accounting systems. They might actually prefer Sage's more traditional layout. But if you're a founder, an e-commerce store owner, a service business, you want software you can use yourself without a finance degree. That's Xero. I've onboarded clients onto both platforms. Xero consistently gets people up and running faster. Section 3. Integrations. This one is where the gap gets really significant for growing businesses. Xero has over 1,000 apps in its marketplace. I'm talking Shopify, Amazon, Stripe, PayPal, Square, HubSpot, Gusto, A2X, Dext, CIN7. Basically any tool your business already uses, there's a connector for it. And Xero just released their 2026 App Store Power Lists, curated collections of the most popular apps by business type, whether you're in retail, construction, professional services, or e-commerce. The e-commerce stack is particularly strong. If you're running a Shopify store, the Shopify to Xero integration syncs your sales automatically. A2X connects Amazon and eBay. Stripe and PayPal reconcile automatically. You can build a nearly fully automated bookkeeping workflow. Sage has integrations too, but it's a much smaller marketplace, and the setup is often more technical. Sage does integrate natively with Salesforce and Microsoft 365, which matters for larger businesses. But for the typical growing small business, Xero's ecosystem is just deeper and more plug-and-play. Section 4. Features for growing businesses. Now let's go through the key features side by side. Bank reconciliation. Both platforms offer bank feeds and automated transaction matching. Xero connects to over 21,000 financial institutions globally. Its matching algorithm is strong. Users report saving on average 5.5 hours a week with Xero's bank feed automation. Sage 50 also supports bank feeds, but the setup is more manual and less intuitive. Invoicing and accounts receivable. Xero lets you automate payment reminders, set up recurring invoices, add late fees, and accept payment directly through Stripe or Go Cardless with a Pay Now button right on the invoice. Sage Business Cloud has decent invoicing, but lacks automated reminders and deep payment platform integration. Sage 50 is stronger here than Business Cloud, but still doesn't match Xero's automation level for receivables. Reporting. Both platforms offer solid financial reporting, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow statements. Xero's reports are modern, visually clean, and easy to customize without accounting knowledge. Xero also recently added analytics powered by Sift, which gives you enhanced financial dashboards, industry benchmarking, and deeper forecasting. That's a meaningful upgrade. Sage 50, however, does have deeper reporting for specific scenarios, particularly if you need detailed job costing, multi-entity consolidation, or industry-specific reports. If your business is in construction, real estate, or manufacturing and needs that depth, Sage wins this category for you. Inventory management. This one surprises people. Xero actually has a built-in fixed asset manager on all plans. You can track depreciation, asset value, and disposal without any add-on. Sage 50 doesn't include a native fixed asset module. You need to buy Sage fixed assets separately. Users and team access. Already covered this in pricing, but it's worth repeating as a feature. Xero, unlimited users on all plans. Sage 50 charges per user, which adds up fast. If you're building a team, adding bookkeepers, accountants, department heads, Xero doesn't punish you for growing. Section 5. Final verdict. Who should use what? All right, verdict time. Let me be specific because it depends is a lazy answer. Choose Xero if you are a small or growing business under £1 million/$1 million revenue, an e-commerce business on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, a freelancer, consultant, agency, or service business, a business that's adding team members and doesn't want per-user fees, someone who wants to run accounting yourself without a full-time accountant, an international business handling multiple currencies. Choose Sage if you are a medium to large business with a dedicated finance team, in construction, real estate, or manufacturing with complex job costing, a business that needs multi-entity consolidated reporting, a business that's already deeply embedded in the Microsoft/Salesforce ecosystem, a business where desktop access is preferred over cloud first. Here's my honest take. I'm a Xero certified advisor, and I've used Xero in my own business for years. The reason I chose Xero, and the reason I recommend it to 90% of small and growing businesses, isn't just the features, it's the ecosystem. The integrations mean you can build a genuinely automated business. Bank feeds, automated invoicing, Shopify sync, payroll through Gusto, and you're spending hours per month on bookkeeping instead of days. Sage is an excellent product, but it's built for a different kind of business, one that already has accounting staff, needs enterprise-level reporting, or operates in specific industries where Sage's depth genuinely pays off. For most people watching this video, that's not you. You need something that lets you focus on growing, not on manually managing your books. If you're ready to try Xero, there's a link in the description below. Right now, new US customers can get 85% off for the first 6 months, which takes the growing plan to just over $8 a month to get started. That offer ends March 31st, 2026, so it's worth grabbing if you've been sitting on the fence. If you're in the UK or Australia, I also have links for your local discount offers. Links for all regions are pinned in the description. Before you go, if this comparison was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to make this exact decision. And if you're choosing between more tools,
I've got full comparisons of Xero versus QuickBooks, Xero versus FreshBooks, and many comparisons all on this channel. I'll see you in the next one.